Website builders allow you to create websites from scratch without having to learn how to code. This is important, especially for entrepreneurs who lack the knowledge or resources to develop their own websites for their businesses. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button before we continue with these reviews. Thank you. Also, make sure to check the links in the description below for free trials and discounts on these website builders. A quality website builder will have features like drag-and-drop functionality, ready-to-use templates, mobile responsiveness, simple customization, SEO tools, and excellent documentation. In other words, they should contain all the resources you'll need to create landing pages even if you have no prior design knowledge. Finding a website builder with the ideal balance of features and price may be quite difficult with so many options available. Because of this, we've compiled what we think are the top choices. Here are the top 5 website builders currently available. Number 5. Weebly. Weebly is an extremely simple website builder that is best suited for people who are creating their first website. There is little to no learning curve, and you can get started quickly. Weebly is the best website builder if you want to create a website for free. Weebly has a drag-and-drop website builder that is simple to use even for beginners. It provides several benefits, including a free domain registration, free hosting, and a free email account. Weebly also allows you to utilize your custom domain name. There are no setup or monthly costs, making it a cost-effective alternative for individuals on a limited budget. However, it is also worth noting that Weebly can power websites that require e-commerce integration. Its paid plans have unlimited storage, so creating online stores on Weebly should be simple. One of the best features of Weebly is that it is excellent for SEO. That means you can use Weebly to create a website that is search engine friendly, making it simpler for potential clients to locate your business. Another amazing feature is the large selection of templates and themes. There is a theme for every sector and style, making it simple to establish a professional-looking website. Weebly, like other website builders, offers responsive themes that make it easier for visitors to access your website on mobile devices. There are 4 pricing options, excluding the free version. The Connect plan costs $5 per month when paid annually. The Pro Edition, which includes e-commerce capability, costs $12 per month. Business costs $25 per month, while Business Plus costs $38 per month. Features of Weebly include drag-and-drop website builder, no setup fees or monthly charges, search engine optimization, responsive templates and themes, custom domain option, e-commerce integration, mobile site optimization, suitable for blogging, reporting and analytics, nicely written documentation. Number 4. Squarespace. Squarespace is a well-known website builder on the market. It's easy to use and ideal for businesses of all sizes. Without prior expertise or design skills, you can create a professional website in minutes with Squarespace. Squarespace has a variety of features to assist you in creating a website that matches your specific needs. You may select from a variety of templates or make your own. Squarespace also offers robust e-commerce integration, allowing you to sell products and services online. Squarespace is known for its incredibly gorgeous, professionally designed templates, and while its library is rather small in comparison to others, we discovered that the designs are both visually appealing and specifically targeted. A notable feature of Squarespace is its outstanding blogging tools, which include the ability to add multiple authors, schedule articles, and create content from mobile devices. There are 4 plans available. Each of the 4 paid plans includes a 14-day free trial, a free domain for the first year, unmetered bandwidth and storage, built-in SSL security, and other benefits. Features of Squarespace include wide range of templates to choose from, simple to use even for beginners, powerful e-commerce features, free domain name for a year, custom CSS, Squarespace app for Android and iOS, podcast support, email campaign integration, AMP integration, mobile optimized checkout. Number 3. Shopify. Shopify is the most popular e-commerce platform, with over 1 million merchants using it in 175 countries. It has a wide range of features, including a free 14-day trial, making it ideal for both small and large businesses. One of the primary things that distinguishes Shopify from other website builders is its extensive list of integrations. This means you can easily integrate Shopify with a variety of third-party apps and services, making it simple to add new features and functionality to your website as needed. This helps it stay clutter-free, while allowing you to opt for specific features required. A built-in shopping cart and checkout manager, as well as marketing and security features, are also included. With cybersecurity being one of the most pressing problems for online retailers, Shopify is Level 1 PCI DSS certified, which means it's incredibly secure for both you and your customers. Shopify is also one of the most user-friendly website builders, with a safe and efficient platform that is continually updated with new features. Overall, Shopify is a good alternative for small and medium-sized businesses seeking a comprehensive and user-friendly platform to sell their products and services. 3 different plans are available, with prices ranging from a relatively expensive $29 per month up to $299 per month. Some of the features that Shopify offers include free 14-day trial, wide range of templates with a drag-and-drop editor, ability to sell physical, digital goods and services, integrations with third-party apps and services, free marketing tools, built-in invoice generator and payment processor, abandoned cart recovery to catch incomplete sales, sell across multiple channels like Facebook, Instagram, and Amazon, over 100 different payment gateways, brilliant inventory system, built-in SEO tools, multiple currency and language support. Number 2. Zyro. If you want a website that you can build and update yourself, Zyro is the perfect low-cost option. You will not be required to employ a developer. There will be no need for you to learn WordPress or HTML. You can easily create an attractive website by using the drag-and-drop editor. In addition, when compared to similar services, you will save hundreds of dollars every year. Zyro should be at the top of your list if you are a freelancer or run a small business that only requires a website. Is it capable of doing what Wix and Squarespace do? Not quite, but it's a fraction of the price and almost as simple to use. Zyro offers industry-specific templates, so all you have to do is choose one that best fits your business and customize it as needed. If you own a small business, you should have no problem choosing the appropriate template to employ. The AI content generator is one of Zyro's most powerful features. This is an SEO tool that will suggest article ideas based on your products and niche. If you're having difficulties ranking sites on search engines for relevant keywords, this will come in handy. Other interesting features of Zyro include its mobile responsive designs and built-in access to millions of stock pictures. There are various plans to choose from. The cheapest starts from $3 per month. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee. Features of Zyro include easy drag-and-drop editor, over 100 customizable templates, deep reporting and analytics, guaranteed uptime of 99.9%, free hosting on all plans, suitable for e-commerce websites, simple CRM to keep track of your customers and sales, universal payment solutions, AI-powered website creator, SEO tools and logo maker, 30-day money-back guarantee, 24/7 customer support. Number 1. Wix. Wix is the top website builder on our list. With more than 110 million users globally, Wix is a well-known website builder. You can make a website using Wix for free. Wix offers a ton of features, including over 500 eye-catching templates, a robust drag-and-drop editor, and many others. We believe it to be the greatest website builder, as well as the best for small businesses and e-commerce. Wix Artificial Design Intelligence, also known as ADI, may also be used for a more straightforward experience. After completing a few brief questions, it will choose a custom template that you can populate and publish in only hours. Wix is perhaps the most powerful builder available, and ADI makes things extremely simple for beginners. You will get access to a number of business-specific features. Wix also offers e-commerce features like inventory management, multi-channel selling, and support for subscriptions and digital products. The full website builder is included in the fantastic free plan, and each premium plan comes with a 14-day money-back guarantee. Wix provides Help Center access inside its interface, as well as separate support pages with manuals, video tutorials, and step-by-step walkthroughs. A great advantage of using Wix for your e-commerce is that there are no transaction fees if you use Wix payments. Managing your brand from one place is easy with Wix. You can create a professional email address, use the Wix Bookings app to manage appointments, and more. Features of Wix include access to 500-plus templates, professional email address, no transaction fees with Wix payments, advanced design features, e-commerce integration, mobile-optimized websites, wide range of apps integration, advanced SEO tools, business and marketing tools, SSL certified, Google Analytics for site analytics. Conclusion: there are many website builders to pick from nowadays, which is a wonderful thing, and each has its own set of perks and downsides. Make sure you choose a website builder that can meet all of your requirements and is appropriate for your niche. If you enjoyed this review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also hit the subscribe button for future videos and updates. Thank you.